You don't need fake testosterone boosters or chemical supplements. You need to reset your hormones through ancestral nutrition. If you're dealing with low testosterone, anxiety, or stubborn belly fat, it's not a discipline problem, it's a hormone problem. Modern food has destroyed your hormonal balance. Your body was built on primal fuel, cholesterol, saturated fat, and heme iron. The solution isn't counting calories. It's about feeding your endocrine system with the right diet. Eat like your ancestors: red meat, liver, eggs, and bone marrow. Eliminate the hormonal enemies: seed oils, soy, and processed carbs. Support your foundation. Sleep early, train heavy, and get sunlight. Your testosterone isn't just a number, it's your life force. This is not a diet, it's a biochemical awakening. Go primal, and your hormones will follow. Healthy,